Hello, my name is Tommy Eds and I'm going to be doing these buildings in Nomad Sculpt. Now, this recording actually seems disjointed. Well, it is disjointed because my iPad's memory is full, so I realized some parts when I was recording and I had to find a way to just make it work. But anyways, delete the sphere and bring in a square. And this is going to be the base of our building. So just, as tall or short as you want it to be. And then for the windows, we're going to just clone that square and make it smaller and use the array. All right, so I'm just doing 4 there, and we're doing another array for 6 or 5 more at the top. Clone the square again and make the door. I'm just cloning squares here, so it's actually pretty easy to do. And we're going to use the boolean to, make a hole there. So make sure that the one that you want to use to make the shape is hidden, and then select the building itself and use the boolean. All right, now all these windows, the windows are like this because I'm using an additive material here. I'm going to change the color later on so you see how it will look. I'm just using a boolean there too for the roof. Same thing I did with the door. And this is the other building. I'm just using a cloned square, and I'm just using squares here, just squares for the windows, and the array the same way we did for the other windows. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, I missed some parts too because I don't know what happened, but just ignore the color. I just did that so I could also it could help me differentiate between the windows and the building itself. I don't know, personally I just prefer to visualize as I walk, so colors do help me. But yeah, I'm just doing the platform now for the buildings, right? And I'm just doing a square again. Okay, and I'm adding color. You can just do different shades, right? And then just going to do the lines on the floor. Yeah, so we're just going to use the array again, but I'm going to use topology there because we don't have a lot of that. So yeah, again the array, we're basically just using squares and arrays and just trying to play around with it. And just going to make that 1.5, and I reduced the number here. Yes, I used 0.5. Eventually you should see that. Yeah, exactly. Oh, 0.25. Right. So yeah, I'm just going to clone this and then going to rotate using the snap tool. Okay, and just going to place that there. You can make the rectangles much more smaller. It's nicer if it's actually smaller, but this was because I had already gotten frustrated by the time I reached the realizing that all the recording I was doing wasn't actually recording, and I was just trying to rush at this point. But yeah, so when I call the post-processing, the bloom actually works and it comes nicer. So yeah, I just painted it again. So again, I actually showed all this parts, but it did end up showing. But this is just me showing you all the settings I use my post-processing. My post-processor, you see how everything works, the bloom, the outline. I just showed all of that, and then I added lights, of course, HDRI, because if you want to get free HDRI, you can go to HDRI even. But yeah, the color is simple. Just add the color to the object. So that's again, I apologize for how disjointed this video is, as my other videos have been of late. It's really my iPad's memory. I need to my iPad. Even though I have iCloud, I'm not sure what's not working. Anyways, but I hope this video is still easy to follow. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Have a wonderful day. Bye.